Hello everyone, this is Anuj from gadgetgig. Today we have with us the Nokia T2000 earphones, which is a Bluetooth neckband. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and we'll tell you how the performance is. So starting with the unboxing experience, here we have the model name and the picture of the product. And here on this side, we have some key features such as Qualcomm aptx HD sound, rapid charge, Bluetooth 5.1, and here on this side, we have the box content info. The MRP of this earphone is Rs 2,999. However, it's available right now exclusively on Flipkart for just Rs 1,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So first on the top we have the neckband itself, and here we have the twilight blue variant, and apart from that, this earphone is available in midnight black and pearl grey. We will look at the earphone in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the warranty information, user guide which has the info about the button controls and the pairing instructions. Then we get this micro USB charging cable and 2 pairs of extra ear tips. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Nokia T2000 comes with the Qualcomm QC3034 chipset and it supports Qualcomm aptx HD audio. And with this, you will get 25-bit HD wireless audio. Now looking at the design, I really like the build quality of this neckband. We have the matte finish on both the ends, and here on this side we have the Nokia branding. The quality of the neckband feels good and it will be really comfortable to use it for long hours. And also the neckband is very lightweight and weighs just 35 grams. Now in terms of the overview, we get the 125 mAh battery in this neckband, which can give you playback time of up to 14 hours. And also, the earphone supports rapid charge, so it can give you 9 hours of playback time with just 10 minutes of charge. And here we have the micro USB charging port. On the left side of the neckband, we get the buttons, and here we have the volume and the play button. And there is also a mic button by which you can accept or reject the calls. Now looking at the earbuds, first of all, the cable from the neckband to the earbuds is of good quality and it also feels sturdy. The earbuds are magnetic, but the thing which I like is that you get the magnetic controls in this earphone, which allows you to auto-connect or reconnect the earphone to the phone. The in-ear style earbuds offers good comfort and you get the snug fit, and due to that, you get the good passive noise cancellation. And about the driver size, you get the 11mm driver in the earbuds. And one more thing, that this neckband is IPX4 water resistant, which means it's rain, water and sweat proof. So overall in terms of the quality and design, I'm really impressed with this neckband from Nokia, keeping in mind the price of this earphone. Now let's pair it with our phone and we'll see how the performance is. Nokia T2000 comes with the Bluetooth 5.1, which allows you to connect fast, and there is also a hop mode by which you can connect to 2 devices simultaneously. And for that, once it's paired with one device, you need to press the play button 3 times and now it will switch to your second device. So guys, in this earphone, you can easily switch between 2 devices. Now before we talk about the audio quality, let me show you different button controls. So we have the play button which can pause and play the music. And then we have the volume buttons and you can switch to the next song by long pressing the plus button. And to go back to the previous soundtrack, you need to long press the volume minus button. The mic button allows you to answer or hang up the calls. And also, if you double press the mic button, you can call Google Assistant or Siri. Now, let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. So first of all, as always, I switched to the large size ear tip. And guys, I've been using this neckband for a couple of days now. And about this sound quality, you get good bass from the earphone, the mids are also good, and overall, you get good sound output. They're also loud, but again, no distortion in the sound. So overall, I'm really happy with the sound quality of this earphone. I've also used this earphone to watch movies and videos on YouTube, and I didn't notice any sound lag, and the dialogues were also very clear. So in short, you can use these earphones for both movies and music, and you will not be disappointed with the sound quality. Now lastly about the mic performance, I have taken few video and voice calls with this neckband, and the mic clarity is also very good. And also in this neckband, you get the Qualcomm clear voice capture technology, which minimizes the background noise and offers good quality during calls. So overall the Nokia T2000 neckband offers good design and build quality. We really like the sound output of this earphone. You get good bass and the vocals are also very clear. You can use this neckband for your daily usage, and also if you're working from home, then you can use this to take voice and video calls. So guys, if you're looking for a neckband to listen to music or watch movies under Rs 2000, then we highly recommend you to check out the Nokia T2000 neckband. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Nokia T2000 Bluetooth earphones. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this earphone, then let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.